Don't even send a single cold DM on Instagram unless you're going to be following this protocol. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting banned. I created this protocol after sending thousands of cold DMs myself. I made well over 6 figures doing Instagram outreach. I once had a team of 15 outbound appointment setters doing outreach on my behalf, and I also created this. Instaworm is the world's safest AI-powered Instagram DM automation tool. It helps you find targeted leads for your business, writes personalized messages, and then reaches out to them to start conversations and help you get more clients. Now, this protocol is very in-depth. It's going to show you how to set up your Instagram profile before you start doing outreach so you can avoid getting restrictions. It's going to walk you through the different daily limits when it comes to how many DMs you can send depending on the type of your account and the stages in, and also how to gradually warm up your account. It's going to give you certain rules on how you want to write your first messages so you don't end up triggering Instagram's spam detection algorithm, which has gotten very sensitive over the past few years. And it's also going to help you understand what IP addresses and proxies are, when they matter and when they don't matter, because I've seen a lot of people talk about them online, but they don't have the faintest idea about what they are. Now, this safety protocol is going to be available for free inside the Instaworm community, so feel free to check it out. The link is going to be in the description. But what I want to do is I want to kind of walk you through the 4 core principles when it comes to keeping your Instagram account safe. So the first one is that Instagram tracks patterns, not individual actions. And this is why you see some accounts being able to do more outreach than others. For example, if you've been using an Instagram account for a very long time now to do outreach, you can do up to like 50, 60, even 70 outreaches in a single day. But if you create a new account from zero and you try sending 50 DMs day one, you're interrupting the pattern in the eyes of Instagram because new accounts are not supposed to send this many outreaches. So it's going to immediately flag you. So the core principle here is that the system flags behavior that does not match an account's history, not the raw volume on its own. The second principle, and this is very important, is that at the end of the day, your goal is to look like a real person. As long as you're doing that, your account is safe. So it doesn't matter if you're sending those DMs manually or if you're using a tool like Instaworm, as long as your activity mirrors the way a true real user would use the platform, then your risk is very low. So how would a real person use the platform? Well, he wouldn't log into Instagram from 2 different countries within like 10 minutes. He wouldn't send like 100 identical messages in 1 hour. He would engage with content, maybe also have some posts on his own profile, stuff like that. So this is where a lot of those cloud-based automation tools kind of fall under the bus, because the way they use your account is not like a real human would use it. The third principle is that gradual growth beats sudden spikes. So if you want to scale your outreach, do it incrementally. Double your DM volume every day a little bit for a long period of time, instead of going from, let's say, 5 DMs a day to like 50 DMs a day overnight. And then last but not least, you want to treat each one of your Instagram accounts as something independent. Each account has its own history, and you're going to need to kind of replicate this behavior on each account individually. So with that said, here is how I'm going to use Instaworm to send 100 DMs today, fully automated, and most importantly, completely safe. The first thing I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to need some leads. So I found an account that has the source audience that I want to scrape, which is Alex Hormozi, of course. Every single online service provider, freelancer, coach, agency owner follows this guy. You see here, Instaworm has this lead scraper tool that allows me to get leads from comment sections, people that this account is following, or people that follow this account. I was doing some research and I found this post here that Hormozi made like yesterday. And a lot of these people that commented on this post are like coaches, consultants, agency owners. And I can also use some filters here. So for example, I can write coach, I can write agency owner. I'm going to use a bunch of filters because I want to make sure that the leads I scrape are hyper targeted. And then I'm also going to have Instagram go inside each person's account and get information on their content and also get their bio because I want to use that later to write that personalized message. So these are all the people that the system found that kind of match our criteria. And if you see their bios, you can see that they all kind of check the boxes here. They're online business owners, they're selling stuff, they're CEOs, they're founders. So they definitely fall within my ideal client avatar. And the system found pretty much all the information about these guys. It even categorized them. It tells me if this is a business account. It finds their website, how many followers they have, whether their account is verified or not, their bio, how many posts they have, all the information that you can ever want. So we have this list of leads, but what do we do with it? Well, now we're going to use a personalization tool. So we can have AI write a hyper-personalized cold DM for each and every single one of those leads that we scraped, and then send it to them so we get 5 or 10% response rate on our DMs or even higher. For anyone saying that cold DMing people doesn't work, they don't know what they're talking about. So I'm gonna load in the list that we just scraped in this tool. There we go. So we have 36 leads loaded in. And then this is where it gets super powered, guys. So this entire placeholder here allows you to kind of customize exactly how you want the AI to write those first messages. So you can pretty much give your bot direction and tell it, hey, for example, I want you to use syntax. Every single greeting that you use needs to be different. Hi, hey, hello. That's one way you can protect your account. That's one kind of like common practice or best practice that human appointment setters follow. And you can give it some information, you can give it examples, and then based on this prompt that you add here, it's going to generate the messages accordingly. So I'm going to hit on generate messages, and it takes about like a few seconds per lead. So let me circle back with you when this is done and show you how these messages look like. Hi Ali, I see you've helped over 400 home buyers and realtors. That's impressive. What's been the most rewarding experience for you in that journey? So that's an example question that it asks. Here's another one. Hi Adiel, your insight on clear goals really resonates, especially in the context of turning conversations into clients. What's one goal you're currently focused on to drive your DM strategy? So these are really good messages. And of course, again, it kind of depends on how we instruct Instagram to write them. We can make it say anything we really want. But the beauty of this is that each message is different and specific to that person. So it kind of tricks Instagram thinking that, okay, somebody's actually writing those messages manually. Now, this is where it gets overpowered. I'm going to use the outreach tool to have AI automatically send those messages on my behalf so I can spend my time doing something else. So I'm going to create a new campaign. I'm going to give this a name. And then I'm going to load in the file of personalized messages that we just got. And here we can configure some of those settings. So daily outreach limit, I'll just leave that to 30. I think in total we have like 36 leads or something. Let's say I only want to message 30 of them. Let's put the minimum delay between DMs at 30, and then the additional delay, let's say it's between 5 and 30 seconds. So when I click launch campaign, it's going to take control of my computer and it's going to start reaching out to these people on my behalf. And you can see my hands here. I'm not touching on my keyboard or anything like that. I don't have some guy hidden behind the computer or anything controlling it. Okay, so here we can see the first example. This guy doesn't have that send message button enabled. So even if I tried doing it manually, I couldn't send a message to this guy. So most systems would break here. But Instaworm is actually going to stop trying to message this guy, and it's going to wait a few seconds, and then it's going to go to the next one. It just pasted the message in there and it sent it to this guy, and then it's going to load in and it's going to message the other person. It's going to send this people a message now. It's going to click on message, paste it in there, send it. And the beauty of this, guys, is that your computer is fully functional. Like I can do anything I want on this computer right now. Like I don't have to be on Instagram. The thing is going to continue running on the background. I can even run it on multiple accounts at the same time. So while this is running, if you want access to it, you can join my school community where you pretty much get access to Instaworm and a few other goodies as well. So hopefully I'll see you in there, and that's where you're also going to be able to get that protocol that I showed you earlier. And this is going to keep going, guys. This is not going to stop until it hits our quota, or I can also manually pause it if I want. I can cancel this campaign. And this is fully safe because in the eyes of Instagram, this is a real user using your computer to do outreach. So this is pretty much as safe as doing it manually. It's not using any IP addresses or any proxies from marked or banned servers on AWS that kind of tell Instagram that some bot is running through your account. None of that. Instagram has no idea this is going on right now. And as long as you don't abuse the volume, you're going to be completely safe. Okay, let me show you one more message because this is pretty cool. So it loaded in, new guy, this lady here, neuropsycho. That's what they would call me if I was doing this.